Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video is we're going to do the unboxing and our initial review of the Soundpeats Watch 2. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video guys is we have here another smartwatch. This is the Soundpeats Watch 2 and you can get it guys on Lazada at Soundpeats Global. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's do the unboxing. So here is the box, and as you can see there is an S sign here on top, and we have here the Watch 2 at the bottom, and on the sides so we have here Soundpeats branding. Alright, okay, so we have here sound for urban sports, and at the back guys so we have here the quick specifications. So it has the IP68 feature and no need to worry about sweat and rainstorm, heart rate monitoring, 12-hour workout modes, so and also it supports SpO2. Alright, so now guys let's open it. Okay, so we have here, alright, wow, this is the watch itself, and let's see what's inside. So we have here the magnetic cable, and last we have here the manual. So if you have any questions guys, you can just check on the manual, and actually it comes in different languages, so you shouldn't have any problem setting up your watch. Okay, so here is the watch guys. Alright, so let's take this one out. Upon looking at this watch guys, you can see it's in circular form, and on the side so we have here bezels, and on the right so we have here the crown or the button here, and I think this guys it's made of alloy. It's because it's very lightweight. And we have here the strap guys, so it's made of silicone, and we have here the Soundpeats branding here on the lock. And at the back so we have here the sensors, yes, here, and also the magnetic charging pins are there. Okay, so let's turn it on guys and let's see what are the specifications of this watch. Okay, so upon opening guys, so we are greeted with this S sign, which is for Soundpeats, and we have here, please scan to download Soundpeats live application. So I'm going to set it up guys, and I will be right back. Hi guys, we are back with our Soundpeats Watch 2 and actually set it up guys, and I will actually make a tutorial on how to connect and also how to set the time of this smartwatch. Okay, but before that guys, so we are already here in our home screen of our Soundpeats Watch 2. So you have here the watch face, which is nice in green, and let's try if we can change it to other watch faces. Alright, so when you are going to scroll to the right, you can change this one to another watch face. So let's count how many watch faces does it have. So let's try to count. 1, that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we only have 2 watch faces, default watch faces on our smartwatch. Now we are going to scroll down. Okay, so when you scroll down guys, we have here the battery percentage on the upper left, and then we have here the date, the time, and also the day. We have here the find my phone, do not disturb mode, and this one I believe this is for brightness, and the shortcut for setting. Now let's scroll up guys. So we have here the different menus, we will check that one later on. And when we are going to scroll to the right, then we have here the widgets. Okay, as you can see, let's see, take a break, and also steps. We have also here heart rate, and then light sleep or deep sleep, and also the weather. Okay, and when we are going to swipe to the right, then it's also the same, it will give us this widgets here. Now we are going to look at the watch features guys, so let's scroll up. So we have here, first we have stat, so we have here the steps, the kilometers, and also the kcal that you've had. And then we also have here the heart rate. So as you can see, The sensors are lighting up, guys, the three sensors. And we also have here the SpO2. So it says here, please wear it close to your skin. Keep the screen face up and still. Alright, so we're going to check, guys. Give us the result. Okay. Okay. So at the moment, our heart rate it's at 86 beats per minute. Alright, guys, so our SpO2 it's at 99%, which is good. Alright. Okay, that's nice. And then we have here sports. So this is one of the main features of this watch, guys. So let's see what kind of sports that it has. So we have here jogging, fast walking, biking, climbing, spinning. We also have here yoga, indoor running, integrated training. We also have here gymnastics, basketball, football, rowing. Wow, that's a lot, guys. So yes, in my case, I'm just gonna do like fast walking and jogging. Okay, there's no swimming here. I actually want to have the swimming. Then we also have here exercise records. So if you're going to do exercise, then your record will be here. Then we have here weather. Okay, so Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and the sleep. So we have here light sleep or deep sleep, and we have here music control, guys. So for the music control, guys, when you have your smartwatch with you and you're listening to music, you don't have to use your smartphone when you are going to change the music. So you can control that one just using your Soundpeats Watch 2. Okay, and then we also have here more. So let's tap on that. So we have here stopwatch, countdown, find phone, breath training. So the breath training, guys, is really nice. I personally like this one, especially when you're so stressed out. Then we also have here settings. So we have here watch face. Okay, so we only have here 2 watch faces here, but you can download this one on the application. Alright, guys, so in the settings, so we have your watch face brightness, so you can adjust to the brightness that you want. We also have here about, so the version of your watch, power off, and also reset. Alright, so those are the detailed specifications of this watch, guys. And actually it promises, guys, that it will give us a 7 days of normal usage of battery and 20 days of standby time if it is not used. Okay, and then guys, we have here the specifications for the display. It has 1.28 inches and the display resolution is 240 by 240. Okay, so in my initial review of this smartwatch, guys, it looks pretty nice and it's really lightweight. So it's not heavy at all, so it is good for people who want to do more sports. Yes, and I will be testing this smartwatch, guys, for a couple of weeks, and I will give you my full review after that. Okay, but for now, this watch is really promising. It has all the features that you want at a reasonable price. Okay, so if you want to check this smartwatch out, guys, you can click the link on the description box on Lazada at Soundpeats Global. Alright, so guys, if you have any questions about this smartwatch, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. And also click the notification bell for you to be updated of our latest uploads. Okay, so guys, once again, this is Josh and I will see you on our next video.